Welcome to Siddhavasa Houseplant Designers YouTube channel. I am here to give you the very valuable lessons. Uh, Today I am going to discuss uh, one. Uh, what are the benefits of learning this? Learning house plants. What are the benefits? Small house plants. What is the council drawing and what is the scale of it? Okay. So the other one, why we should get basic knowledge and what is the strategy to draft. So I am going to, first of all, I am going to discuss these things. So first one, what are the benefits of getting this knowledge? Here, small house plants lower than 100 square meters. 1000 square footage. Plans can be done by anyone and take approval. Not only my country, not only Sri Lanka, most of the countries allow anyone to do lower than 100 square meters house plans and take approval. So I am going to give this knowledge to you uh, to do that step by step, lesson by lesson in these videos. So it is the very benefit is we can take small house plants approval also. So anybody can, if somebody take this knowledge, he or she can take it to approval. So he or she can do that for career. If already doing a job part-time as a part-time job or so hobby or you can do this. It is very profitable and it is very interesting. So you can do that. The second one is what is the council drawing? Council drawing is this. You can see this picture here. This is council drawing. We take approval to this plan. We have to put. I will discuss all those things. This is ground floor, upper floor, section, front elevation, side elevation, schedule of the doors and windows. This is the format of the paper we give to take approval. So I will I will let you know how to do this manually first. Because third one is why we should get basic knowledge. Without basic knowledge in AutoCAD or any software you can't do this properly. So basic knowledge we have to learn it manually first and you have to learn what is the angle of the roof to roof in asbestos, in uh, tiles, and you have to learn that. You have to learn width of the walls. You have to learn uh, doors and windows sizes and those things. Everything I will discuss with you step by step upcoming videos. Here, so you know the benefits of taking this knowledge. So please subscribe this channel and go with me, stay with me, so you can get very big profit of this. It is very interesting also. So subscribe the Siddhavasa Houseplant Designers channel and uh, keep going with me. So here we'll discuss about this council drawing. Here ground floor, this is upper floor. Here site plan here. This is we call our our house, how to locate our house in the land, in plot like this. Here we show this site plan. Here foundation details. Here section. Here side elevation and front elevation. So I will discuss all these things and I will give you the strategy to draft these things basically in manual. So if you have facility to do with AutoCAD or some software, you can after that improve your knowledge by that. So I will help that also later, but first we have to do it basically. Uh, so why we should get basic knowledge, sizes and angles and everything we have to know with basic knowledge. So that's why we have to take the basic knowledge. So the other one is main thing. What is the strategy of drafting? I will tell you. We have to think how to draw ground floor. We have to think how to draw foundation detail and everything, section and everything. That is a way of thinking and take to the plan, take to the paper. So I will let you know how to do that ground floor and section first in this video. So first of all we have to draw these things, ground floor and ground floor, upper floor and this section. So in this video I will show you what is the strategy to do that. After that we can draw first one story house, small house. We can start. So we'll go and see what is the strategy to uh, think to do the ground floor. To draft all the drawing, I use only these. This is to take degrees, this ruler and this square. Anyone have these things at home? You don't want to buy anything. You need pencil and eraser and A2 sheet, paper sheet. So when we learn, we use those big squares, T rulers, drawing boards and everything. Nowadays we don't want to use all those things to do small house plans. To do lower than 100 meters house plans need not any profession. So you can do this with these small utensils. So I will give the strategy to do that. First we have to draw ground floor plan. This is the floor plan. This floor plan we should think to draw this like this. Here think this is the house, this is the house. So we assume we cut the house horizontally like this. This is ground floor, this is upstairs house, this is ground floor. So I will cut the house horizontally like this. We assume cut the house like this and get rid of, remove the upper part. Remove the upper part and look above from it. Remove the upper part and look above from it to the lower part. So this is when we look like that, this is the plan. This is width of the walls. These are walls. This is width of the wall. Here
We cut the house, we look above on that. This is plan. Here these are windows. How we this is window position. Here this is window. Here small lines, you can see small lines in that here. So this is bar of the window frame. Side by side they are window sill. So this is how these spaces doors. So like that we have to draw like this. I will tell you another video how to draw this. I will tell every detail and make you draw. Here this is you. I told first of all we have to draw ground floor and section. So this is section. When we draw this section, we assume we cut the house vertically like this, and this is, you can see here, here you can see we put arrows here, arrowhead is here like this. So we assume cut the house from bottom to the, from above to the bottom, from top to the bottom, roof to the foundation. We cut vertically and get rid of this part. Then in plan we get rid of this part and we see we can see this part. The arrowhead is this way, so we have to look at this part. If arrowhead was this side, we have to get rid of this part and look at this part. We put arrowhead here, so we get rid of this part and look at here and draw this section. Here you think this is when we cut here house vertically from roof to the bottom. So we plan, this is plan wave here. We cut here now from roof to the bottom. So when we look at this side, this is wall. This is wall. Here wall. This is wall. Here the other wall and this wall. We cut these walls. Only this one and this one we cut. These three walls are here like this. You can see like columns like this. When we see this side, we can see other parts without cutting. Without cutting these parts, real time we can see these things. Those are behind, we can see windows and everything here like this. Only this part cutting, and behind we can see these things. That is strategy to think to draw these things. But if you don't think it is very difficult, not difficult. If you think how to think, you practice how to think, it is very easy to do. That is strategy. I told some strategy to think. No? That is. So try to go with me. Try to go this journey with me. It is very profitable. You can't get this knowledge free. You have to buy these lessons. Most of time I am giving this opportunity to you. So don't miss. Subscribe the channel. Next video I will step by step tell you how to draw. I will demonstrate everything and tell you how to do that. So get ready to go make journey with me. Subscribe the Siddha Ambas House Plan Designers channel. So keep going. See opportunity to grow. This is very wonderful thing. This is very profitable thing. So subscribe the channel. Have a nice day. Thanks. Bye bye.